Chapter 1, Section 1. We're going to look at what are called points, lines, and planes. We'll identify and model them, and then we'll look at the intersection of lines and planes as well. There is a lot of vocabulary that goes with this section. Points, lines, and planes are all considered undefined terms. These are terms that we can only use or explain through examples and descriptions. So I'll do the best to give you a definition. A point has really neither shape nor size. So we're going to say that a point kind of looks like this, and we are going to label them with capital letters. In this case, I'll call it, that is point A. A line we're going to say is made up of at least 2 points. To name a line, again, you'd either have 2 points. So here's 2 points. I'll call this one B. I'll call this one C. And a line is going to go through the 2 points and have the arrows on it. I can name the line like such. Make sure you have the line symbol up above it. Or at times you're going to see a lowercase letter right there. We could also name this line N. Okay, so it doesn't matter. I could even call this line CB if I wanted to. I'll write that one down as well. That way I have all 3 options. And then a plane we're going to say is made up of at least 3 non-collinear points. So to understand a plane, we need to understand what does non-collinear mean. Collinear means points that lie in the same line. So if I add another point on here, D, we would say that points B, C, and D are all collinear. So if I was going to say non-collinear, then 2 points can be on the same line, but not all 3 of them. Okay? And then the same goes for what we say coplanar, is points that lie in the same plane. So going off to an example over here, a line containing point W. So I'm going to look for W. You can use any 2 of the 4 points on here, or you could even use the lowercase letter. So I could name this line, say, WX. That's one option. I could label it as VY, even. Could use the lowercase letter N. Those would all be valid options. You just have to pick 2 points on that line. A plane containing point X. One other thing that I forgot to mention, for planes, sometimes they will put a capitalized italic letter in the side or in the corner. You could use that to name a plane. So I could call this plane P, or you can name this plane using 3 non-collinear points. So as long as all 3 points are not on the same line, you should be good to go. I can pick 2 points on the same line, but not all 3. So I may call this plane V, X, Z. That would be one way I could do it. I could go Y, W, Z if I wanted to. Notice how I'm picking 2 points on the same line, but not 3 of them.